Hi, you're listening to Everyday Superpower, a place where we can learn about body language, non-verbal communication, and everything in between. You know how we do it here. Keep it nice and simple, get straight to the point, and click like, click subscribe. If anything comes to mind, feel free to leave a comment during the video. Without further ado, let's go on to it. So, as you can see before you, we're going to be talking about the hiding of the thumbs, alright? Does it really mean much? The thumbs? Hiding the thumbs? Tucking the thumb in? Does it mean much? Well, it means actually quite a lot. It's quite significant, and once you start to keep your eye out for it, you will see it on a relatively regular basis, alright? So, hiding the thumb indicates insecurity, alright? So the thumb can be placed within the inside of the clasped fingers. It can be placed in the pants pocket with the rest of the fingers out, okay? And whichever way in between. So hiding the thumbs is a negative cue associated with negative feelings, and you yourself should not be performing this at all, okay? The thumbs are significant of power, dominance. As silly as it sounds, we as human beings have garnered great power and been able to craft a great evolution purely through our thumbs. So they are significant of, incredible power, to put a long story short. So expose your thumbs, don't hide them away, alright? You'll see this happen in front of large audiences. The public speaker may have their hands up, but have their thumbs purely in their pockets, okay? That's significant of them being insecure and unconfident. They may not necessarily have their entire hands in their pockets. They may think they're doing something. My apologies. They definitely feel more secure in having their thumbs in their pocket, but that's the whole point of non-verbal communication. It aligns with your subconscious, okay? The way you feel is portrayed by your physical anatomy, alright? And your physical anatomy sends that signal to your brain, so there is a harmony here, okay? You feel comfortable, but the signal that you're sending is a sign of discomfort, alright? Alongside this, watch out for further submissive cues, so the shoulders may be rolled forward, the head might be lowered, the feet might be together. In a way, it's a defensive position, purely as it is, a little bit of a fleet response. The individual's trying to flee from a situation. And why is that? Because they're hiding themselves, they're concealing themselves in some manner, okay? They're not fully open towards you. It might seem so subtle, but it means, what you learn in this body language game is that the most subtle of things, the most minute and the most micro of things actually add up to be the most important and grandiose signals. I'll yawn on microphone. I'll see if that picks you up. Do you want to yawn as well? Leave in the comments if you've yawned along with me, okay? See if you've mirrored my body language in doing so, alright? So somebody who's unsure of themselves and denotes low confidence and low status is going to hide the thumb, okay? When we think of Julius Caesar back in the Roman times, the Colosseum, what he would do is have gladiators fight each other, and if they had put on a good show, he would give them a thumbs up to allow them to survive. If they had put on a terrible show for the crowd, he would put his thumb down, which was symbolic of bad times ahead, alright? We've taken this into the modern day where a thumbs up is good and a thumbs down is bad, alright? So we can spread a lot of signal, a lot of message, and when we retract that, we are running away from attention, okay? And when we run away from attention, it's symbolic of somebody who is potentially insecure. So if you like what you've heard, click like. If you want to hear more, click subscribe. Anything come to mind, leave a comment. Goodbye.